Hello and welcome to Driver's Therapy. In today's video, we're going to be replacing the center cap on our OEM wheels. And I know I'm one of the weird ones who I love my cars OEM, and I actually love the OEM wheels on the NSX. It's a personal preference. Now, if for some reason you have the OEM wheels like me, this is a great thing to do because it really adds a lot of life to the original wheels. Originally, I had these wheels, they're untouched, and the center caps on them were pretty bad. Here is a quick video of before and after. And what we're gonna be doing in this video is we're gonna show you how to take one out. You're probably thinking that's pretty easy. It is. And then we're gonna be installing a new one. But this video is actually a request for your help because I'm always been confused how myself how to install these because they've got a little lip right here. I'm wondering, what is that for? Is that just so you could pry it out, which I'm assuming, or is there an index somewhere in the wheel, or have I been doing it the right way the whole time? Either way, you're gonna watch me do it. You're gonna give me advice. I'm gonna install it, and then we'll go from there. All right, let's go. Okay, so like I said, you guys are gonna help me out. So you see that indentation? I got a trim tool, and I could go in there and pull it out, right? Now, one thing I've seen people do, and I do it, is like you just grab it and you just pop it out. Now, I could do that with 3 out of 4. One of them is stubborn. So, essentially just pull that out. But this indentation, and I'm asking you guys, is it to do this? Because I'm assuming that's what it's for. And then we pop it off. Okay, so we have our old one off. And now it's time to install the new one. Now, here's the crazy part. Look at that. You see there's an indentation on the wheel on there. So I thought, well, what if we align it with that and that? But it doesn't align. That does not align at all. So again, I might be confused about how to do it. So simply what I've been doing is line it up with the lugs and pushing it in. And that's in there. And that already looks so much better. It's like the Acura black stuff was completely gone. And it's lined up, okay. And that's a wrap. Pretty simple, right? Well, I did it on all four wheels and it looks great. Now, I'm gonna give you guys a tip because I'm gonna share my special sauce with you. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sell a few of these to make up the money that I spent on this. And it has worked out almost every time for me. Now, if you saw the video on the door garnish, on the door area, somebody already bought my old ones and my new ones didn't, the difference wasn't a lot. So it's a pretty good setup, pretty good program for me. New parts, sell the old ones. So if for some reason you want these old ones, let me know and we'll work something out. Thanks for watching this video. We appreciate it. You guys take care and we will see you soon.